Welcome to video number 8. We're going to be talking about content curation strategy number 5. Videos. How can you use content curation inside of videos and be effective? Well, you actually can do wonders with videos, and let me give you some examples on how to go about doing this. So this particular strategy uses YouTube playlists. Now, in order for the strategy to work, you need to have your YouTube channel set up, meaning you need to have your website URL pointing to something that you are promoting, whether it's your business, whether it's an affiliate product, or whether it is a hub for your affiliate products, or maybe it's just your nonprofit organization. Basically, whatever you are promoting or trying to get the word out about. Now, keep in mind that when you choose certain playlists to create, you need to make sure that you create playlists that directly relate to your YouTube channel. So you don't want to create playlists on, general topics, other topics here and there, because what you're going to do with this strategy is attract a person who has a specific mindset, who wants to achieve a specific goal, and ultimately may be interested in joining your nonprofit organization, joining your business, buying your products and services, or joining your list. So to do this, it's actually quite easy to do. The goal here is to simply create playlists. But it's not about creating playlists just because you want to create playlists. You have to think about what you want people to do in the end. A lot of people make the mistake of just simply jumping in and building playlists. You have to pick and choose the videos carefully, meaning you have to look at the videos, watch the videos if you can, and make sure that those videos will complement your main end goal. For example, let's say that my YouTube channel is selling a piece of software that allows people to create drum beats or beats in general. Or maybe I'm an affiliate and I have a website that has a lot of great content about creating drum beats and things like that. So I want to make sure I attract somebody who fits my demographic and fits the mindset that I am attracting. So now that you have an idea of that, I want you to think that first before you create playlists, because the technical stuff is super easy to do. So what I want to do with YouTube is I will type in something like create drum beats. And maybe I have a video course on how to create drum beats on GarageBand. I could simply do that and attract a certain type of person who might be having trouble using a piece of software. So if I do a search here, the goal here is not to just pick and choose any of these videos. What I tend to do is it's easier to go to filters and sort by ratings and view counts. The more popular the video, the better. That means there are traffic, there are people coming to those videos and watching them, and there are people that are looking for playlists that are kind of similar to the social bookmarking concept, where they find these playlists, they don't have to do all the work, you've already done the work for them in creating a playlist of 10 or 20 or 50 or more different videos that are related. Now, of course, we don't want to go too out. We just want to create maybe 4 to 5 to start with and build upon that as time goes. Now, you got to keep in mind that when you build your playlist, don't do it just like automatically 10, 20. You want to gradually do it. Look as natural as you can. Don't look like a spammer. So anyways, you can do this. We can do view count, and we can actually see that That's funny. That guy's making drum solos with his stomach apparently. But he has about 4 million views. It's funny. Definitely takes people's guard down. Could be something that you could use. But you definitely want to know your audience. You definitely want to know, are you going to offend people by putting something on there? Or is that something your audience would really think is funny, but then they could switch to serious mode and take a look at your YouTube channel that might be related to selling something related to drum beats, create drum beats, video courses, or ebook, and so forth. So we're going to go through here. And the way you can do this is you can sort by view count. You can also sort by rating, because view count is not always the big defining metric that tells us that it's a good video, because we want to make sure that we create playlists with good videos, right? So if we go through here, get your drums right, best making lab, create a full drum beat. All right, so let's say, for example, I'm going to do a mixture. I'm going to do some video count, some rating, and let's say I'll just pick and choose this one. What we need to do is go to the video, scroll down, and obviously watch the video first. Make sure that it is tracking the right type of mindset. If it is, and it meets those requirements, then what you need to do is simply add it to your playlist. To do that, all you need to do is simply scroll down, and under here where you see About, Share, and Add To, you'll want to click on Add To. This is going to show all of your playlists. So what we want to do here is we want to create a playlist, and generally you want to create a playlist that fits the search term that relates to whatever people are searching for. So create, we'll type in how to create drum beats. That'll make your friends jealous, or something along those lines. Click on create playlists. You can make it public, unlisted, and private, but we want to make it public because we definitely want to get some traffic here. So I went ahead and added that particular video to my playlist, and what I can do is just simply do the same thing. Go through here, pick and choose the video, click on Add To, and simply select the playlist here. When you do that, what it does is it actually adds it to the playlist, and you can see there are two. Now it gives you the option of adding an optional note, and I would recommend that you do that as much as you can. The more explanations that you can give people, the more they are likely to click through, and the more Google is to possibly index these, and that gives you a bigger chance to attract the right type of person in that specific mindset, which you will ultimately get to your YouTube channel. And if they're interested in how to create drum beats, and your YouTube channel is about how to create drum beats, but perhaps a more elaborate type videos, or it's on your website, then you're definitely going to attract the right eyeballs. And you can really think about this as in, how do I attract the right person who wants to purchase my video course? Not just attract anybody, but attract the right type of person. Now obviously you'll have to do your demographic research, but we're not really going to be covering that in this specific video. But if you find the right demographics, the right type of person, as you can see, you can use this to your advantage to get tons of traffic. So it's very simple, very easy, but very powerful, as you can see.